In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Shopify review 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate your Shopify admin, find the right app, and post a clear, helpful review that actually benefits other merchants and the app developer. Start by heading to Shopify and signing into the store you use for the app you want to review. Reviews are tied to stores that have the app installed, so make sure you're in the correct store admin before you continue. Once you're in the admin, go to Settings. You'll usually find the gear icon near the lower left corner. This page controls store-wide preferences and gives you access to the app's management area, which is where we're headed. From there, open the apps section. Depending on your layout, it may be called apps or apps and sales channels. This is where you'll see the list of all the apps currently installed on your store. It's a good idea to give this page a moment to load, especially if you manage a lot of tools. Find and select the app you want to review. Choose the app you've actually used enough to share real feedback. If your list is long, use the search bar to quickly locate it. As you click the app, you may be taken to details about the app or a link that leads to its listing on the Shopify App Store. Look for the Write Review option. This might appear directly in the app details or on the App Store listing page. If prompted, confirm you're signed in with the same Shopify account connected to your store, since that's how Shopify verifies reviews from real users. Choose your star rating. Be fair and consistent with your experience. Think about reliability, the value you got for the price, ease of setup, and the quality of support. A balanced rating helps other merchants quickly understand your overall impression at a glance. Describe your experience in detail, mention what you used the app for, which features mattered most, how easy onboarding was, whether it impacted site speed or conversions, and how the support team handled any questions. Keep it constructive, specific, and free of sensitive information. If it helps, draft your thoughts in a note first, then paste them in so your review is clear and organized. When you're happy with everything, click Submit. You should see a confirmation, and your review may go through moderation before it appears publicly. If you notice something to improve later, you can return to the app's listing to update your feedback. That's it. You've left a thoughtful Shopify app review that helps others make better decisions and gives developers actionable insights. Thanks for watching, and happy reviewing.